Hi, today I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Zoom. So if you have documents on your computer that you want to share with a student, whether it's the textbook or a PowerPoint file or a web page, you can use this simple process to share your screen with your students. When you have a Zoom window open and you move your mouse around inside it, you can see this toolbar at the bottom. In the very middle, you'll see this green square with the arrow pointing up that says Share. To share your screen, you'll just click on that button and you'll see a window that will pop up and it'll ask you what it is that you want to share. Most of the time you'll click here where it says Screen. It's already pre-selected. And then once you have that selected, then you'll click here on the blue button that says Share. So say this is a PDF file of your coursework that you downloaded from the LMS. The students are going to be able to see everything that is showing up on your screen. As you scroll through the document, they'll follow along with it on your screen. So if you wanted to change, say you were working here on this PDF, but you actually have a PowerPoint that you want to show them, you can find the PowerPoint that hopefully you already have open. And as you open up the PowerPoint, your students will see all the slides as you click through them. The same thing is true of Word docs. You can share Word docs the same way. Basically, everything that you see as you're navigating, your students will see. So whether it's PDF or PowerPoint or Word doc or a web page, if you want to go on Google and find something that you can show your students, all of that they'll see everything that you're doing on your computer. So if you are ready to stop sharing, it's very simple. You'll just look for this bar in your Zoom window where it says Stop Share. You click Stop Share and you come back into your normal Zoom window.